Okay, in this video, I will talk about an example to show how the application works. So let's look at what four main algorithms we need to solve the problem or to do the application. The first one is partitioning monotone polygons, and the second one is triangulation. Those tools are very familiar with us, and the next two are new to us. The first one is do a breadth search in a dual graph, and the final one is the funnel algorithm. So let's go look into an simple example to have a taste of them. Assume we have our old friend, this simple polygon, and we assume we want to go from the start point, green point, to the end point, the red point. And also we want to go along the shortest path. So how do we solve it? At the very beginning, we can solve the problem intuitively. We can eyeball it to find the shortest path. So how do we do it? Let's consider we directly connected the start point to the end point this way. This path is to be sure to be shortest, but it is outside the polygon, so it's invalid. So let's try another way and consider this. Can we start from the start point and move to an intermediate point? And from the intermediate point, we get to the end point. So let's try this way. So first, we connect the green point, the start point, to a point that is closest to the end point. And as we can see, point A is our choice. So we connect start point and point A. And from point A, which is an intermediate point, we connect point A to the end point. And as we can see, the path we found is the shortest, and we solve the problem. But this is the way we solve the problem, not the computer solves. So how does the computer compute the shortest path? First, we do partition monotone polygons. So we add an internal diagonal, and we get 1, 2, 2 monotone polygons. And then we triangulate each monotone polygon. So after partitioning monotone, after triangulation, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. After this, we convert those triangles into a dual graph. So this gray vertices and edge connected between them is our dual graph. At this point, we have a graph, so we can do a breadth search in this graph and get the shortest path from this vertex and this vertex. In other words, this vertex including the start point, and this vertex including the end point. So after running the breadth search, we will get 3 triangles, that is this way. And as you can see, these 3 triangles are the triangles that the real shortest path, that is this blue path, will traverse. So the shortest path will go through those 3 triangles one by one. So in this way, we can fit the funnel algorithm with those triangles to compute the shortest path. Okay, at this point, we went through this example to have an overall idea of the application. So the next problem may be how the core algorithm, the funnel algorithm, work. So it's time to show the magic trick, funnel algorithm. I will talk an example of it in the next video. Thank you.